And I tell y'all, I'm pissed off. Like, bruh. Like, y'all don't even like the Lakers. Y'all don't even like LeBron. Come on, look at LeBron Funko. Lakers hat. One of my Kobe magazines. Thank you, BX. Let's roll the intro, man. YouTube, what's happening with y'all, kinfolk? It's your friendly neighborhood sneaker man, GOAT, Weezy. Weezy L baby, please say the baby, back on the scene with a pocket full of green. Ain't no I keep a cup full of lean, man. Anyway, welcome to the channel. If you new over here, man, matter of fact, all my new subscribers, bro, we have been growing and I cannot say thank you enough. Thank you to all my new subscribers. Welcome. Welcome to Great Nation, man. Your friendly neighborhood sneaker man. Hey, and if this your first time over here, make sure you smash that subscribe button for your boy. Hit that like button, share this thing, do all that, man, because I'm rolling out content on a daily. Now, I did decide to take a little break because, I ain't gonna lie, my pockets were hurting. But as y'all can see before the intro, I tried to get the LeBron 7 media days, and bruh, come on, man. Y'all gotta stop this, man. Y'all gotta stop. But, man, I just want to send this video out. Well, I got to put this video out because I had these sneakers, but I didn't even open the Nike box because they weren't my size. So somebody in the sneaker community, they helped me out. They gave your boy an assist. You know, they tossed your boy a lob and your boy Blake Griffin that thing, you know, reverse between the legs. You know, your boy almost back now. Your boy almost back. Y'all just wait and see. But nah, man, shout out to my boy Retro Reco, man, out there in the A. Your boy looked out, man. I had these sneakers and they weren't my size, so I was trying to find something close to my size or maybe my true size. And he was just like, man, just be patient. So your boy was patient. He waited about 2 or 3 weeks, you know, all these shoes coming out, so I could wait. You know, I ain't in no rush. But yeah, he hooked your boy up, so I'm gonna go ahead and link my boy. I'm gonna put my boy IG up either right here or right here. It's gonna be on one of these sides, man. But yeah, I got my box. I can't throw these things because, you know, I ain't got my throw powers no more. I ain't Scorpion. They done took all your boy powers away, man. But let me open this on up, man. Let y'all see what I got. Now, I got my keys. And I thought about my powers just now. I am wearing the OG Mighty Morphin Power Rangers. You know, the Red Ranger. Shout out to the Red Ranger, Jason. But Tommy the GOAT, though. So y'all don't get it twisted. Tommy the GOAT. So I could have used my Power Ranger power, you know, right? Like, it's Morphin time. Yeah, that was kind of corny. Don't do that no more. Yeah, I ain't gonna do that no more. Y'all ain't gotta worry about that one. That one was real corny. But let's go ahead and open this thing up, man. See what we got. All right. You know what time it is when you see this box? Y'all know what time it is. This box right here. Don't really care about it. Alright, so y'all can see we got a ones box. Now, my true size is like a 12 and a half, 12, depending on certain sneakers. Certain sneakers I can't do an 11 and a half. So your boy shot me an 11 and a half in these things. Let's take a look at it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What you say now? Court Purple 2.0s, man. Now, I definitely needed these sneakers just for the simple fact of me selling my Court Purple 1.0s, and I wish I would have never sold it. Like I said, I got talked into selling some of my sneakers, and I regret it. I wish I would have never sold those sneakers because your boy sold some heat, man. And then the person I sold them to, they was like, yeah, man, I'm gonna try to find you size for you again. I get a clean pair. Ain't heard jack squat from them since. So if you trying to buy sneakers with me, no, it ain't happening. I ain't. In the words of Super Duper Rooper, I have nothing for sale. Nothing for sale. Nothing. Not a thing. Nathan. squat 0. I don't know how you say it in Spanish, but however 0 is in Spanish or nothing, nothing. Alright? Now, I ain't gonna be too long with these, man, because I want to give y'all an on foot, but I don't want to put the black or the lavender laces in these things. And also, bruh, y'all done seen about 50 million reviews anyway, so I ain't gonna go into too much detail. We already know what time it is with this sneaker. This sneaker reminds me of those Game Royal ones. I think the Game Royal blue ones, you know, same exact sneaker. More white, a lot of blue where the purple is. Like, that's all it is, man. And I actually ended up selling those, and the resale just skyrocketed on those, man. That's why I just said, I have nothing for sale. Not a thing. Say how we talk in Springfield. I ain't got a damn thing for you. Nothing. 0. Nothing. Alright, so we pretty much got our basic one. Like I said, I ain't gonna go into detail for y'all, man. But we got the white tongue, and we got this leather toe tag on that thing, man. Got that leather Nike Air. I don't know why they starting to do that, but hey, man, it is what it is. And they also put me in the mind of the Chicagos, man. Now, I didn't even want to talk about Chicagos because Chicagos, they just skyrocket, man. Them boys shot up like Pookie at a crack party, you feel me? Like, golly, man. It look like I ain't gonna never get them things. I mean, I'm just a broke PE teacher. What can I say? But dog, I like ones, but I really wish they would put ones in the vault. Put them in the vault for a couple years, because there's too many colorways coming out now. We got to do away with ones. Ones are actually becoming the new 11s. Like, I kid y'all not. To me, they feel like they becoming the new 11s, man. But I love this sneaker. Like I said, purple. With purple, you see I got the Lakers behind me. Or you could do the Vikings. I was thinking about the Sacramento Kings because they are purple, white, and black. Like Mike Bibby, Chris Webber, the Kings. You know, Buck the Kings, we used to cut their behinds back in the day, but it's all good. Shout out to De'Aaron Fox, though. But yeah, like, styling this sneaker, I think it's going to be very, very easy if you like different sports teams. So yeah, I would probably go more towards the Sacramento Kings with the white, purple, and the black. So, like I said, shout out to De'Aaron Fox, Mike Bibby, and the boys, Chris Webber. Thank you, Chris Webber, for that championship, too, back in the day when you called that timeout. He probably going to hate me when he see this. Now, with the leather quality is not bad at all. The leather quality is actually good on these things, man. It don't have shattered backboard quality. We ain't looking for shattered backboard. But it does have a nice tumble to it. You know, premium cow right there. Angus beef, you feel me? A Hardy burger. Or if you don't know what Hardy is, a Carl's Jr. Down here it's called Hardy. Hardy high, bro, for real. But the leather's dope. Definitely a great sneaker. I know the resale right now is sitting at about $230, but I think these will move up in prices. It's a good hold. So if you got them and if you stuck on some pairs, just hold on to them, because I think these will go up in prices in about a year or two, maybe a year and a half, give it that. These joints cold, brr. They very cold now, don't get me wrong. Man, we got that pinch. Like Ratchet say, that pinch. I know these legit. Like I said, shout out to my boy Rico. I know they legit. I ain't got to check for nothing, because my boy, I done seen how he go out and get his shoes, so I ain't got to question nothing. You feel me? But let's go ahead and do this on foot and this B-roll, and we gonna blast off, baby. Alright, man, I hope y'all enjoyed that little bit of B-roll, man. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about these in the comment section below. Did you pick these up? Or do you, if you didn't pick them up, do you plan on picking these joints up later on down the road? I don't think it's doing crazy like those Royalto ones that came out a couple weeks ago, man. But yeah, man, I appreciate y'all for coming through, especially if you made it to this part of the video. If you haven't already, make sure you Hulk smash that thing, man. That subscribe button thing, man. Come on, man, help your boy out. We're on the road to 3K, baby. But anyway, man, I appreciate y'all for coming through, baby. Y'all know how I get out of here. Love, peace. Put some chicken grease on that beef. Go.